Hello guys, I'm mester.mechanic and I'm here with another video on my YouTube channel. In this video we're going to draw this sketch exercise and we will draw these lines and arcs and we will apply the relations and dimensions. And before getting started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and post your comments. So let's get started as soon as it's possible. Here I have the solidworks open. For creating a new part, just click on new part, okay? And now I have a new part. For drawing a sketch in SolidWorks, you have to choose a plane. And here we have three planes, three standard planes. And it is front plane, top plane, and right plane. Or we can create plane in the SolidWorks. But for now, just click on the front plane. I will tell you what's the use of these other planes. Just for now, click on the front plane and click on a sketch. Now we have open a sketch. First thing first, we have to draw two center lines, and here I choose a line and midpoint line, and I draw two lines here. Right click, select, and again I choose the line, midpoint line, and I start drawing the line from the origin point. And you can see as I move the line, you can see a yellow symbol here, right here. It means that if I click on the screen, the horizontal relation will be automatically applied to my line. So I don't have to just give the relation at the end. And now if you can't see the relations or the dimensions, come in view, hide and show items. And here view a sketch relation. You can just turn it on or turn it off, the green symbols here, or you can turn it on or turn it off, the dimension. And now we have to make these two lines constructed. So here I choose these two lines, and here in options I choose for construction, and the lines are constructed. Now I have to hold the control button and I choose the line here, and I give it equal relation. And now here we have to draw these lines. Here I choose line, and I start drawing the line from the point here. So I draw a line and I draw a vertical line. So you can say as I move the line, a yellow symbol here appears, as I told you before. So here I draw a line, and here we have an arc. So here I choose arc. I mostly use 3-point arc. It's much easier to work with. So here I draw an arc, and you can see as I get close to the point here, it turns to orange. It means that if I click on this point, the arc will be connected to the line. So here, the center of the arc must be this side of the sketch, so be careful about that. And here I have to connect this point to the point here, and right click, select to exit the line. The line here must be horizontal, and for doing that, just click on the line, and here in add relation, give it horizontal relation. And the center of this point must be horizontal to the point here. So I hold the control button and I choose this point and the point here, and I give it horizontal relation. And this point must be vertical to the point to this point. So here I do the same thing here. I choose this point and the point here, and in add relation I give it vertical relation. Here I have to choose the smart dimension, and the dimension of the arc here, the radius is 7 millimeter. So it is 7 millimeter. And now I have to just mirror these entities to this side of the center line. And for doing that, here I choose mirror entities, and I choose these entities here and the center line here. Now it will be copied to this side of the center line. So be careful, the copy here, and okay. Now we have to mirror these entities to this side of the center line, and you can see I'm just mirroring the lines. Here again I choose mirror entities, and I choose these entities here, and I have to just copy it to this side of the center lines. So here I choose the center line, and this is the reason why I have drawn the center line at the first of the sketch. So here, okay, now we have the sketch. And we have to apply the dimension. The dimension from the line here and here is 30 millimeter. Sorry, 30. No, 30 millimeter. 30 millimeter, and you can see my sketch is full defined and everything is black because my sketch is not moving, and here you can see the full define. If you can't make your sketch full defined, please watch this video again and be careful about applying the relations or the dimensions. Now all we have to do is just draw these circles. Here I choose a 2-point circle and I draw a circle here, and I draw a circle at the middle of my sketch, the origin point. So the center of the circle must be merged to the origin point, and the dimension of this circle is 10 millimeter, and the dimension of this circle is 3.5 millimeter. And now I have to just mirror this circle to this side of the center line. So here I choose mirror entity and I choose the circle, and in mirror about I choose this horizontal center line, and okay. Now all we have to do is just give the dimension between these two circles, between the center of these two circles, and it is 21 millimeter. And now we have drawn our sketch. It was very easy. Please practice at home and do it yourself. It is very important to practice and play with these tools. You can see the green symbols here are a little bit extra, and if you don't want to see these green symbols, just here in view sketch relation, you can just turn it off there and you won't see the relation. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments, and thanks for watching this video.